Very Fine Vinos could not miss out on the Spanish Wine Fair, a key venue where the best wineries meet and where the best contacts for export are created. A company that works as an export manager of small and medium Spanish wineries, paying special attention to the quality of its services and its wines.
We work as export managers, we don't work as an agent. That means we have a limited number of wineries that we work for, as opposed to an agent who might work for like 20, 30 or 40 wineries. No? We work for about 10 wineries, which is a limited number.
In spite of representing a limited number of wineries, this doesn't prevent Very Fine Vinos from having great wines of the most varied denominations.
We work for wineries in the main regions of Spain. Of course, we have wineries in Rioja, in Ribera del Duero, in Navarra, in Toro, in La Mancha, but also more new and upcoming regions like Valencia, Utel Requena, Conca de Barbera, Alicante, Cariñena.
It also has denominations of origin like Rías Baixas, Priorat or Valencia, a variety of wines of high quality and very well valued around the world.
So right now we export, of course, in Europe, but also we have a subsidiary in the US and in Hong Kong. So from the US, we work all the US market and Canada. And in Asia, our base is in Hong Kong, and we export from there to China, to Singapore, Taiwan, Japan.
A company with a wide experience in the sector that searches for the best distribution possibilities for its clients according to their profiles, which allows them to embark on the road to any market. Very Fine Vinos, your wine export manager.